Hey guys, today we're making gnocchi 2 ways. So I have this Barilla pesto from the Dollar Tree, and also you'll need a package of the potato gnocchi. So this is basically all you're going to need, and of course everything is from the Dollar Tree, and this is for the first way. So also I just have some chopped up onions, a little bit of oil, and you just go ahead and pour your gnocchi in there, and you just want it to absorb that oil and get it nice and crispy. So I went ahead and just added just a little bit of salt and pepper. And then this is what it'll look like once it's nice and crispy. Then I added about 1.5 tablespoons of that pesto sauce, and you just incorporate it with the gnocchi really good, and for about 1 minute to 2 more minutes, and you're done. Then you have this delicious pesto gnocchi. It's such a weird word, right? But that's how you pronounce it, gnocchi. So yeah, so then you just have this delicious pesto gnocchi here, and also you can top it with some Parmesan cheese. You can just sprinkle that right over it, and some delicious feta cheese if you want. I get the feta cheese from Dollar Tree all the time. I love it for salads or like fruit. It's delicious. So that was one way to make the gnocchi. So another way here, you'll need some bacon. I just have sliced up, some peppers, and some onions. You can get the frozen peppers and onions from the Dollar Tree also, and another package of the gnocchi, and this Tony's Creole Seasoning. Everything's from the Dollar Tree. So I have the bacon in there just crisping up, and before that bacon's done, I'm going to add the onions and the peppers. Cook that down just a little, and then we're going to add the package of the gnocchi. So now we're going to combine all of that together, let that gnocchi absorb the that oil from the bacon. You could add a little more oil if you need to. And you're just going to keep cooking that down until it gets crispy as well. Also, you're going to add that Creole seasoning, which is delicious, you guys. If you guys see this seasoning, grab it. It's delicious on anything. Chicken. I haven't really used it on anything other than chicken and this right now, but it says it's good for anything, so I can just imagine it'd be perfect for steak also, or shrimp. So this is it. Here you have this bacon, onions, and peppers gnocchi, and it's delicious. These can be served as a side or a main dish, or just lunch even. You could add like some sharp cheddar cheese on here and some sour cream. Delicious, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree cooking videos. Just super simple, budget friendly meals that you can use for you and your family. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give me that thumbs up if you like the video, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about these recipes, and I'll catch you guys soon in the next video.